Changsha City, China. In Yulu Sewage Treatment Plant, we have installed a belt dryer system for municipal sludge drying and using natural gas as heat source. The belt dryer, with total handling capacity 500 ton per day and single line capacity 125 ton per day. Evaporation rate 3,700 kilograms per hour. The wet sludge is poured into wet sludge silo. A siding frame and screw conveyor are equipped at the bottom of sludge silo. The sludge with 80% moisture content is fed into the belt dryer by screw pump. Sludge noodle machine is one of the core equipment of belt dryer. EKOSEP patented product. Strip sludge with a diameter of 9 millimeters is continuously fed into 304 stainless steel conveyor and forms a balanced accumulation. As the sludge passes through the successive chambers, the internal air temperature increases progressively, and heating up the sludge to the desired temperature, then realize the evaporation process. 70% DS dried sludge, 90% DS is available. The particle size range of the final product is 3 to 5 millimeters. It has the features of low dust content, biological stability, and good processing performance. The dried sludge is cooled down as it passes back to the exit of the dryer and send it to dried sludge silo via the scraper conveyor, then transport to disposal site. Due to the gentle drying process, the COD of condensate is only about 200 milligrams per liter, which is easy to treat with low cost. Natural gas is used as heat source in this project, which is clean and energy saving. The heat generated by the burner heats the drying air in the dryer, and the circulating hot air is used to heat and dry the sludge, so as to reduce the moisture content of the sludge to less than 30%. Then the moist high-temperature air passes through the heat exchanger and condenser. It is cooled to below the dew point of the air. At this time, a large amount of water in the air condenses out. Special gas recirculation process, energy-saving, explosion-proof, odor-proof. The exhaust gas generated in the drying process can be discharged up to the standard after basic treatment, biofilter. The cooling tower provides 33 degrees Celsius cooling water for the drying system. Fully automatic control cabinet, the belt dryer system can realize long-term unattended operation. The temperature inside the EKOSEP belt dryer chambers are constantly monitored. These measurements automatically control the speed of the conveyor and feeding device, and this gives the most efficient drying time and consistent quality of product. EKOSEP Engineering Company Limited is the only belt dryer system supplier with all heat source construction and use experience in China.